This will be the elevator. The Walnut Street parking garage right outside of the Ideal Market in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Let's go up. Going up. Man, it's cool in here. Go to 7. Here we are at the 7th floor. This is an overhead drive. Eastern Elevator, Windber, Pennsylvania. You're back at 1, take up one more trip up to 7, get a cab view on the way up. Standard parking elevator. This is your original inspection certificate. You can get a perfect, spectacular view from up here. Go back down to 1 and that'll be it. Watch the button go out. This elevator always is level with the floor. And it runs very smoothly too. That's okay. We're still in the Walnut Street parking garage in downtown Johnstown. And look, I found another elevator. Let's take a ride. I don't think the controller responded. There we go. It's on its way down. It's another Eastern. It's very cool in here. Go to 7. Motor's the same, so here at 7. I'm honestly wondering that this may be an air conditioned hoist way. Back down to 1. wait between 1 and 2. One more trip up to the 7th floor. See, Eastern Elevator, Windburg, Pennsylvania. Again, it's a long way between 1 and 2. Here, back at the 7th floor. You can get a bit of a view up from up here. There's the Johnstown Expressway. Go back down to 1, that'll be it. Like I say, it's maybe an air-conditioned hoistway. They're back at the 1st floor. There's a warning there if you want to read that, and that's it.